Welcome to Trusting in the Lord, a channel sharing Jesus' teachings to help you live with peace, love, and strength. Today we explore mercy, the heartbeat of God's love. Mercy is not weakness. It's the very strength of God revealed in forgiveness, compassion, and second chances. In a world that often chooses judgment, Jesus showed us a better way, a life overflowing with mercy. In this video, we'll discover 10 profound truths about mercy through the lens of Jesus' teachings. Let's begin this journey into the soul of God's kindness, where justice meets love and hearts are healed. Number 1. Mercy is God's language of love. Mercy is how God communicates his love to a broken world. When we stumble, he doesn't shame us. He lifts us up. Mercy is God's gentle whisper saying, "Come home." Throughout Scripture, we see God extending mercy to those who least deserve it. Why? Because mercy is not about deserving. It's about God's heart. Jesus often responded to sin not with condemnation, but with healing compassion. Think of the woman caught in adultery. He said, "Neither do I condemn you." That's mercy in action, truth with grace. When we embrace God's mercy, we begin to speak his love language. Number 2, Jesus embodied mercy every day. Jesus didn't just teach about mercy. He lived it. Every step he took, every person he touched was an act of mercy. He healed the blind, welcomed outcasts, and forgave sinners. When lepers approached him, society stepped back. But Jesus stepped forward. His mercy overrode fear, prejudice, and cultural norms. He saw people not as problems to fix, but as souls to love. Mercy isn't abstract, it's deeply personal. When we live like Jesus, our hearts become a place where mercy flows, touching lives with the same hope and healing he brought. Number 3, mercy sees beyond the sin. Judgment stops at the surface. Mercy looks deeper. Jesus saw through the masks of sin and brokenness. He saw a tax collector in a tree and called him by name. He saw potential where others saw shame. Mercy is about vision, the ability to see what someone could become if loved well. When we show mercy, we're not ignoring sin. We're choosing love that transforms. Like a potter reshaping clay, mercy molds hearts. Let's ask God to help us see others not as they are, but as they can be through his grace. Number 4, mercy begins in our hearts. We cannot show mercy if we haven't received it. The journey starts within, letting God's mercy heal our guilt, calm our fears, and fill our emptiness. Too often, we are harsh with others because we're still harsh with ourselves. Jesus invites us to receive his mercy freely. When we understand how much we've been forgiven, mercy naturally flows from us to others. It's a cycle. Receive mercy, give mercy, repeat. Don't wait to feel worthy. God's mercy is the starting point, not the reward. Let him soften your heart, and mercy will follow. Number 5, mercy triumphs over judgment. Justice is important, but without mercy, it becomes cold and crushing. Jesus reminded the Pharisees, "I desire mercy, not sacrifice." He challenged their obsession with rules and pointed to the deeper calling of compassion. Mercy doesn't ignore wrong. It simply responds to it with hope, not hate. We live in a culture quick to cancel, condemn, and criticize. But the cross is our proof that God chose mercy over judgment. When we let mercy win in our relationships, we reflect the very heart of heaven. Let mercy triumph in your words, thoughts, and choices. Number 6, mercy heals broken relationships. Where there is mercy, there is healing. Think of the father in the parable of the prodigal son. He didn't wait to hear apologies or explanations. He ran to embrace his son. Mercy breaks down walls and builds bridges. Families are restored, friendships rekindled, hearts mended. It doesn't mean we ignore pain. It means we choose love over bitterness. If you're holding a grudge today, ask God to plant mercy in your heart. Forgiveness may not change the past, but it opens the door to a better future. Mercy is the miracle maker in human connection. Number 7, mercy requires courage. Being merciful doesn't come naturally. It's not weakness, it's bravery. To forgive someone who hurt you, to show kindness to the undeserving, that takes strength. Jesus showed the ultimate courage when he said from the cross, "Father, forgive them." He was betrayed, beaten, and crucified, yet mercy was his response. The world tells us to get even. Jesus tells us to forgive 70 times 7. It takes a bold spirit to love when others hate, to bless when others curse. Be brave. Be merciful. You carry the power of heaven's mercy in your hands. Number 8, mercy is a daily choice. Mercy isn't a one-time event. It's a daily lifestyle. Every morning brings new opportunities to show patience, offer grace, and extend forgiveness. You'll face moments where anger feels easier, but choose mercy. You'll encounter people who drain your spirit, but offer them gentleness. Mercy is not just for the big things. It's in how we speak, react, and love. The more we practice mercy, the more we reflect Jesus. Don't wait for a perfect moment. Make mercy a habit, one small act at a time. Number 9, the fruit of mercy is peace. Mercy calms storms. In your heart, in your home, in the world. When we respond with mercy, conflict softens. Arguments end. Peace follows mercy like a shadow. When Jesus calmed the sea, he also calmed his disciples' hearts. His mercy brought peace to both nature and people. If you want more peace in your life, start with mercy. Be the one who listens longer, forgives quicker, and loves deeper. Let mercy be your daily offering, and peace will be your reward. Number 10, mercy reveals the face of God. Ultimately, mercy is how we reveal God to the world. People may not read a Bible, but they will read our lives. When we are merciful, we reflect the very face of God. His kindness, his patience, his grace, they shine through our actions. Jesus said, "Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy." To be merciful is to walk in divine favor. So let's be known not for our opinions, but for our compassion. Let mercy shape our legacy, so when people meet us, they meet Jesus. Thank you for joining us on Trusting in the Lord. If today's message on mercy touched your heart, please share it with someone who needs a second chance. Subscribe, like, and continue walking with us on this 100-day journey through the teachings of Jesus. Let your heart be a home for mercy, your words a balm for pain, and your actions a reflection of God's tender love. Every act of mercy brings heaven closer to earth. Walk in mercy today. God bless you. See you next topic.